Work. Now work is said to be done only when the force applied on an object causes it to move in the direction of the force. So Mr. James tried to push the car, but it didn't move at all. Did Mr. James do any work in this case? Here's a hint. When is work said to be done on an object? Now what are all these people doing? Are they doing any work? Yes, they're doing different kinds of work. In everyday life, we use the word work to describe a lot of activities. In science, however, the word work has a very specific meaning. Now observe the pictures. Which of these pictures show work being done? All the pictures show that work is being done. No, you may be surprised to know that of the activities shown, only playing football is considered work in science. Now can you tell me why, children? When you kick a football, you are applying force that causes it to move. Activities such as reading and sleeping are not considered work in science. This is because no force is applied and no object is moved. It is said that work is done only when a force exerted on an object moves it in the direction of the force.